5 times 4 will give 20, and then 20 plus 8 will give 28. Many people made this mistake, forgetting that there is a factorial unit here. So this is wrong. If you solve it this way, when you are given a question, look at it very well, then you solve it. Now, what does 4 factorial mean? 4 factorial means 4 factorial will give 4 times 3 times 2 and then times 1, and this will give 12 times 2, that's 24. That being solved, we can now put it back into the given question. So this will be 8 plus 5 and then times 24. Then we can apply the PEMDAS rule. We multiply before we add. So 5 times 24 will give 120. So this will be 8 plus 120, and the answer is 128.